Find the number of different ways that a set of 10 different mugs can be shared between Lucy and Monica if each receives an odd number of mugs. If L is for Lucy and M is for Monica. There are 10 mugs. What is the condition? 10 mugs are shared between these two. The condition is each of them should receive odd number of mugs. So if I give one mug to Lucy, from the 10, one is gone, so Monica will receive 9 mugs. Next, I cannot select 2 because 2 is an even, so next to number 3. If 3 is given to Lucy, 7 will be given to Monica. Next, I cannot place 4 because even, so the next to number 5. If 5 mugs are given to Lucy, another left out 5 will be given to Monica. Next, if the 7 mugs are given to Lucy, 3 mugs will be given to Monica. I cannot take 6 here, so I move to the next number. Now next, I cannot place 8 here because even, so the next number 9. If 9 mugs are given to Lucy, Monica will get only 1 mug. I cannot place 10 because even. Number of possibilities are done. So now let us write for each. From the 10 mugs, 1 is given to Lucy in 10C1 ways. From the 10, 1 mug is gone. So now remaining mugs are 9. Those 9 mugs are given to Lucy in 9C9 ways. Next. From the 10 mugs, 3 mugs are given to Lucy in 10C3 ways. From the 10, 3 are gone. So now remaining are 7. Those 7 are given to Monica in 7C7 ways. Next, from the 10 mugs, 5 are given to Lucy in 10C5 ways. From the 10, 5 are gone, so 5 are remaining. Those 5 are given to Monica in 5C5 ways. Next, from the 10 mugs, 7 are given to Lucy in 10C7 ways. And the remaining 3 are given to Monica in 3C3 ways. From the 10 mugs, again 9 are given to Lucy. It can be given in 10C9 ways. And the remaining 1 mug is given to Monica in 1C1 way. Now, it could be this option or this option or this option or this. There is an or between the rows. So whenever it's an or, I need to add. That will be your final answer. Add all this, you should get the answer 512. This is the answer. Write all the possibilities. Write number of ways for each row. Finally add. That will be the answer. Next one. A cricket team of 11 players to be chosen from 21 players consisting of 10 batsmen. So whenever you come across the data, write it down. There are 10 batsmen, 9 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. The team must include at least 5 batsmen. At least 5, the condition will be greater than or equal to 5. Comma, at least 4 bowlers will be greater than or equal to 4. And at least 1 wicket keeper means greater than or equal to 1. Right? And you are choosing 11 of them. At the end, you should select 11 of them. So now, first you need to write how many possible ways could I get. I need 5. Let me start with 5 over here. What number shall I take? Let us say I started with 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Total should be 11 means I need to select 2 wicket keepers. Next, if this 5 is as it is, I increase this number to 5. 5, 5, 10, I need 11, so one more, that one person will be the wicket keeper. This time I will decrease this if I increase it. 6 and I keep the number same. I increased 6, 4. 6 plus 4, 10. I need one more. One more will be the wicket keeper. If I increase it again, that will be 7 and here 4. 11. I need to select 0 wicket keeper, which is not satisfying my condition. At least one wicket keeper should be there. So this option is not possible. So only these 3 options possible. Now you need to write for each row and add. Now from the 10 you are selecting 5 batsmen. In how many ways can it be done? 10C 5 ways. From the 9 bowlers you are selecting 4. In 9C 4 ways. 2 wicket keepers you are selecting 2, so 2C 2. Clear? That is for the first row. Now for the second row. From 10 batsmen you are selecting 5 batsmen. It can be done in 10C 5 ways. From 9 bowlers you are selecting 5 bowlers in 9C 5 ways. From 2 wicket keepers you are selecting 1 wicket keeper, so 2C 1 way. Now from 10 batsmen you are selecting 6, so 10C 6. From 9 bowlers you are selecting 4, so 9C 4. From 2 wicket keepers you are selecting 1, so into 2C 1. It could be the first row or the second row or the third row. So whenever or has come, you need to add. So add these 3. You get the answer to be 148,176. This is the final answer. Am I clear? Write all the options for each row, write number of ways. Finally add. That will be the final answer.